What if I told you there was a bank that could help you achieve your financial goals? A bank that offers a wide range of products and services to meet your individual needs? A bank that is committed to providing you with exceptional customer service? In this video, we'll be talking about NorthOne Bank. What is NorthOne Bank? NorthOne Bank is a digital bank that offers a variety of banking products and services to individuals and businesses. It was founded in 2018 and is headquartered in San Francisco, California. NorthOne Bank is committed to providing its customers with a seamless and personalized banking experience. It offers a variety of features and benefits, including free checking and savings accounts, no minimum balance requirements, competitive interest rates, 24/7 customer support, mobile and online banking. What are the benefits of using NorthOne Bank? There are many benefits to using NorthOne Bank. Here are a few of the most notable. No fees. NorthOne Bank does not charge any fees for checking or savings accounts, overdrafts, or ATM withdrawals. Competitive interest rates. NorthOne Bank offers some of the highest interest rates on checking and savings accounts. 24/7 customer support. NorthOne Bank is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Mobile and online banking. NorthOne Bank offers a mobile app and online banking platform that makes it easy to manage your finances on the go. How do I open a NorthOne Bank account? Opening a NorthOne Bank account is easy. Simply visit the NorthOne Bank website and click on the Open an Account button. You will be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Once you have submitted your information, you will be able to create your account and start using NorthOne Bank's products and services. What are the different types of accounts that NorthOne Bank offers? NorthOne Bank offers a variety of different accounts, including checking accounts. NorthOne Bank offers two types of checking accounts, the free checking account and the premium checking account. The free checking account has no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. The premium checking account has a monthly fee of $5, but it offers a number of additional benefits, such as unlimited ATM withdrawals and a higher interest rate. Savings accounts. NorthOne Bank offers two types of savings accounts, the high-yield savings account and the business savings account. The high-yield savings account has no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. The business savings account has a monthly fee of $10, but it offers a number of additional benefits, such as a higher interest rate and access to business banking features. Certificate of Deposit, CD, accounts. NorthOne Bank offers a variety of CD accounts with different terms and interest rates. CDs are a great way to save money for a specific goal, such as a down payment on a house or a child's college education. Business accounts. NorthOne Bank offers a variety of business accounts, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and lines of credit. Business accounts are designed to meet the needs of small businesses and entrepreneurs. What are the fees associated with NorthOne Bank accounts? NorthOne Bank does not charge any fees for checking or savings accounts, overdrafts, or ATM withdrawals. However, there are some fees associated with certain products and services, such as CDs and business accounts. Is NorthOne Bank safe? Yes, NorthOne Bank is safe. It is a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. What are the customer reviews for NorthOne Bank? NorthOne Bank has received generally positive reviews from customers. Customers praise the bank for its excellent customer service, competitive interest rates, and user-friendly mobile app. NorthOne Bank is a great option for anyone looking for a safe, reliable, and convenient banking experience. With its wide range of products and services, competitive interest rates, and excellent customer service, NorthOne Bank is a bank that can help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.